Several persons are now in police custody, we gather, following a major operation on the weekend to crack down on lottery scamming. That ain't going away. It's been around for quite a while. According to the JCF, they seized several high-end motor vehicles and more than $20 million in cash. You hear that? Several high-end motor vehicles and more than $20 million in cash. The commanding officer for the Area 1 Division is Assistant Commissioner Glenford Miller, and he told Nationwide that the operation was conducted over the course of several days in St. James.
The Lottery Scamming Task Force, along with the Area 1 team, MOCA, and the Financial Investigation Division have been launching a series of operations for the past. Today is the third day of it within St. James Division. Over these 3 days of operation, over $20 million has been seized. Several high-end motor vehicles. Some persons would have also been taken into custody in relation to offences in relation to the Lottery Scamming Act, also offence in relation to breaches or trespassing and works of the JPS, and also persons or other business persons, some business persons investigated in relation to financial crimes.